This is an alarm clock. Looks like R2-D2, made by Rhythm 時計株式会社, I think. Was it the name? The same company that made this bad, expensive Star Wars alarm clock. Anyway, this R2-D2 alarm clock is slightly cheaper. This one is around $100. This one is $70. It only has 3 different alarm sounds, and these 4 characters face lights up, and it has 3 stormtroopers and Boba Fett and Jango Fett, basically the same shape, different colors, and it's lacking the left and right direction thing on their head. And anyway, this R2-D2 comes with this Darth Maul looking box, and it contains 4 different alarm sounds: main title, container band, and 2 different beeping sounds. And it does not only beep, but it moves. Isn't it cute? But as an alarm clock, it's a maybe not good as this one. This one, it does not show the, you cannot really know the exact time. What time is it? Is it 10, 11 minutes? But this one, it's also difficult to see because there is a digital clock in here, and it's not really useful to hide what time it is, but showing it will kind of destroy this beauty of R2-D2. And another good thing is it has just buttons. You can see buttons, and this is a snooze button. It's really difficult to press if you want to face this side on toward you. But this one, snooze button is on top.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
And all the buttons are kind of integrated well with R2-D2's design. That's the same song. Well, it has 4 different alarm tunes. Well, anyway, it might be dangerous to have things around this alarm clock, but it's much fun to have if you compare it to this one, and this one is more expensive. So yeah, if you want to have an Star Wars themed alarm clock from this particular company, then I would recommend this R2-D2 than that one.